Good day everyone, welcome back to Fighters Trading Channel, here with another daily market analysis. Today is Friday, the 28th of February 2025. Let's jump into the analysis. Starting with NAS 100, we can see that after the break of the bearish rising wedge, which we could have seen last week, the market has very much moved bearish, strongly bearish. There's not been a lot of retracements or retracement levels in which we could capitalize on opportunities, but we can go into the 1 hour and see where we could have found some during the week. So personally, I was waiting for the confirmation of this candle, so I did not trade this opportunity, more just using it as a space to figure out where the markets are going. Where we could have capitalized on opportunities could have been down here at the bottom. So the candle right after this would have been our confirmation candle on Friday at 4 o'clock. Another confirmation, another opportunity to get into the markets would have been this break and retest level right here on Monday at 9 o'clock. Following that break and retest level, where the markets kind of did go into a bit of consolidation, was Tuesday at 4 o'clock and Wednesday at 7 o'clock. So although it was in a consolidation, we knew we were trading primarily bearish, and these would have been prime places to take advantage of the opportunity. There was another break and retest here. However, this is a strong bearish candle, and it would have been very hard to catch this on the 1 hour. That being said, as we predicted, the markets did move down to 20,700. We predicted, or we preempted, that level was going to be where price would be attracted to. And from here, I would now be looking for longs. I mean, the market has retraced hard. I think it's collected an immense amount of liquidity. And from here, I would start to look for buys. Now, although I'm looking for buys, the market is extremely bearish, and it is only providing bearish sentiments at the moment. Looking at RSI, we are moving into that overextended zone where markets are oversold. However, there is no bullish signal yet. I would need to see some type of strong bullish kicker stepping into the market in order to start looking for buys. Please note that with this downtrend, I only took advantage of one opportunity, and I took a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, and it paid out pretty decently. So I'm not upset about that. But from here, definitely looking for longs, but not unaware of the short-term bearish buys. Moving on to US 30. So US 30 also showing very much of a bearish bias. After the break of the supports of 43,950, markets did fall, then fell into a consolidation, and now has finally broken this consolidation, which we can see on the 1 hour, to the downside as expected. That being said, I'll be looking for a retracement towards the 43,370 level, where I could then find a short entry and be trading this pair all the way to the downside towards 41,800. So pair still has a long way to go. It's only at 43,200. And I would be looking to short it all the way down there. I am very much aware that the rest of the indices, I am expecting like NAS 100 to start going up, and there is a certain correlation between the indices. That being said, I am cognizant of these levels here at like 43,200, where we can see a break and retest type of support kicking in here. However, only time will tell, and we will have to keenly observe the market and see where it lies. But for now, we are following the trend, which is bearish, and I will be looking for shorts all the way down. Taking a look at gold. So gold finally broke to the downside after our bearish rising wedge pattern. The markets fell after this break here on Tuesday at 4 o'clock. And since then, we had a break and retest on Wednesday at about midnight. Wednesday at around 3 in the morning, so during the Asian session. Markets fell into a bit of a consolidation, but retested again. Found three black crows at around 4 o'clock on the Asian session, and yeah, the pair has been moving bearish ever since. So pretty much looking to short this pair as expected. It has broken past the 2881 level. I thought some sort of reaction would have been provided there for a retracement. There was in a certain regard, but not all the way. And yeah, this pair is now just falling bearish. The next levels I will be concerned and looking for a retest at would be 2871, and I'll be looking to short it from that level. Bitcoin has just been falling. It has just been dropping. So clearly market sentiment is towards the bears. What we can keenly observe though is that there's no levels of significance or resistance that were created in the zone when the price was moving up. So the next level will be at 72,438, and I would be looking to find wick rejections and potentially longs from that place. In terms of Euro USD, so the bullish trend line has been broken. The pair is definitely moving bearish. Levels of significance I'll be looking to short this pair from. I would still hold out that the markets will retrace to 1.046. However, seeing as though it strongly moved bearish yesterday with barely any retracements until today, I would say that the 1.041 level is also a potential retracement zone where price could go there, test it, and then keep falling. So these two levels are currently on my watch list, and I will be keenly observing them. Switching that to a resistance level as it has been broken now. Taking a look at Euro JPY, so it's clear that the consolidation zone has been broken, and it's broken to the downside. That being said, the support zone at 155.5 is still holding strong. Price did test it and it broke back in. So no clean break yet. Could still potentially see a push to the bullish side. As expected, as I've been mentioning for the past week, the yen is overextended and there needs to be some sort of correction in order to garner liquidity and value. We can expect the yen to keep pushing bullish, yes. I do feel it's a bit unrealistic, seeing that the yen weakness that we generally have. But that being said, the yen still needs to gather strength before it keeps pushing bullish, if it does. So right now, I'm not looking to trade this pair until we have a clear directional bias, and we do not. That's just the reality of the market now, is we do not. After going into the consolidation, yes, we did break below, but we are still on that strong support. So not looking to rock the boat with this pair. In terms of USD JPY, we're still very much in that consolidation phase upon a very strong support level of 149.4. So not doing anything with this pair either until there's a clean break to the upside or downside. Yes, we are trading within a bearish channel, but we are at the bottom of that channel, and I do expect to push up at some point, a strong push up. Now looking at AUD JPY or the rest today, as we know, we are waiting for that retracement for yen, and when that retracement happens, we will be looking to trade according to the opposite of the yen pair. So, for example, AUD and Swiss franc and euro. Right now, I do believe that the euro is weak, which probably added confluence to the drop in euro JPY. So that being said, that is our analysis for the day ahead. It's a pretty quick one. Although this week I made some pretty solid calls, I am disappointed in myself for not finding entries fast enough, and that is something I will work on coming into the next month. I do believe I got some good trades. I made my profit targets for the month, so I'm ecstatic about that. However, I want to be the best trader I can possibly be, and that means like tightening up on entries. Yeah, very happy for this month. I'm glad I got this YouTube page started. And as always, if you have any thoughts or ideas or just enjoy the analysis. Please like and subscribe. And yes, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on what's happening in the markets. And as always, happy trading, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.